What if the Earth started spinning backwards? Would we fall over? Would we even notice? Let's find out in today's thought experiment. Welcome back, Curiosity Explorers. In today's adventure, we're going to play around with a real brain teaser. What would happen if our very own planet, the Earth, decided one day to do a complete 180 and start spinning backwards? Yes, my friends, we're diving into a realm where East becomes West and West becomes East. Now, before you start fretting about falling off, remember this is a fun-filled thought experiment, a chance for us to let our imaginations roam freely in the meadows of scientific speculation. Earth's current spin. Currently, our Earth spins reliably from west to east, a direction known as prograde rotation. This celestial pirouette has been going on for more than 4.5 billion years, ever since our solar system burst onto the scene, full of stardust and dreams. This dependable rotation means that we can enjoy our daily solar events right on schedule. Sunrise in the east and sunset in the west. Not just that, it also significantly influences our weather patterns and even dictates the migratory paths of birds. It's almost as if Earth's got its own built-in GPS. The moment of reversal. Now, picture this. Earth suddenly decides, hey, let's try spinning the other way for a change. If the Earth were to make an abrupt U-turn, the results would be, well, quite catastrophic. Think of the most dizzying roller coaster ride you've ever been on, and then multiply that by 100. No, 1,000. We're talking humongous earthquakes, tsunamis that make the ones in disaster movies look like ripples in a pond, and winds that would have the big bad wolf running for cover. A scene straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Gradual change scenario. But let's take a step back from the movie-esque apocalypse and consider a less dramatic scenario. Suppose the Earth decided to take it slow, put on some relaxing music, and gradually slow down its eastward spin before picking up pace westward. During this leisurely transition period, we'd experience prolonged days and nights, and the seasons would start to play musical chairs. Imagine a scenario where winters and summers last for years instead of months. An interesting plot twist to our planetary story, wouldn't you agree? The reverse spinning Earth. Once Earth got comfortable with its new dance steps, strutting its stuff in a westward spin, we'd be greeted by the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. There goes everything you learned in your school geography class. But Mother Nature wouldn't stop there. We'd likely see a topsy-turvy change in weather patterns and wind currents. You thought unpredictable weather was a problem now? Just wait till you see what a backward spin could do. And then there's the Earth's magnetic field, which could also join in on the opposites day antics. Biological and societal impact. And what about the residents of this backward spinning world, us, and our fellow Earthlings? Migratory birds and marine creatures, with their inbuilt magnetic compasses, would undoubtedly be flailing and flapping in confusion. A little like when your GPS stops working in the middle of nowhere. As for us, the kings and queens of adaptation, we'd be in for a real treat. Time zones flipping around, climate lottery disrupting our agriculture, and potentially the weakening magnetic field adding a little more solar radiation to our daily lives. So there you have it, fellow Curiosity Explorers. A thrilling exploration of a world where Earth spins backwards. It's a wild ride of what-ifs and could-bes, a testament to the boundless fun that is scientific speculation. Remember, the chances of this happening are minuscule to none. But as we've seen, the results of such a change make for an interesting conversation. So let's continue the discussion. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think a backward spinning Earth would impact your day-to-day life? As always, if you enjoyed the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next thought experiment.